how can we interpret those values? It's important for the rest of my presentation. Over 70, you are in a safe side. Everything is quiet. Because if you have a full arch, one stage immediate loading, easy. Partial case, 2-3 implants, immediate loading, easy. Even a single case, you are over 70, no problem. No problem. This is very easy. So every time you're over 70, you are in the right situation. From 65 to 69, full arch, you still can go to immediate loading. Partial case, same, because you have 2-3 implants, connected implants, then you can go. Then, single case, you need to see, is the patient very strong? How is the occlusion? How is the stress of the patient? And you can go you can go to early loading in such a case and measure at follow-up of 6 to 8 weeks. From 60 to 64, if it's a full arch, you can still go because you have 6 to 8 implants, connected implants. So if the value is 60, for example, and 62, and even 58, you connect all those implants and the overall value will be acceptable for immediate loading. Then, partial case, you need to be very cautious and maybe wait and have a follow-up after 6 to 8 weeks. In a single case, I would encourage you to go to 2-stage. Close, wait, and then they say 2 months. For me, when you wait 3 to 4 months is good enough. You are not to 1 month less and take a risk. So you close, so 2-stage surgery and done. But what if the value is less than 60? It's better to not to load those implants, close everything. And if it's a second stage surgery, you need to measure after 1 and 2 months to see if this value goes up. If it goes up from 60 to 65, 68 to 70, then you are in a good way. But if you have a value which is 58, and then you go down to 55, and then you go down to 52, then you know you are losing the implant. And it's a good thing that it will prevent you from spending time and money and effort and confidence by doing the definitive restoration.